Everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today I'll be flying the UMX MiG-15. Great little plane, not very powerful, but it can be a lot of fun. Let's go. It's not very fast or very powerful, but this was my first EDF jet a bit over a year ago. And again, another discontinued UMX from Horizon, E-Flite. First I flew this in the field behind my house, and that took a bit of a toll on the looks of it. So always hitting a bush or nosing into the ground, even with wheels on. I think I kept them on most of the time, just to protect the fuselage. But yeah, belly landers, especially one as small as this, only so much you can do to protect it. I think here in Europe, Horizon still has most of the foam parts in stock. I think you should get at least a spare fuse and a wing. Well, I still can, because I do want to keep this flying. Maybe even if I retire it. Looks really good, it's a detail model, and even as a display, would be really cool to have. Truck coming by, another tiner. Oops, sorry for that. 1 minute left on the timer. I do mostly fly this in safe. Like I said, it's not very powerful. I can pull off a loop. Whoa, whoa. Okay, just saved it for me. Wow, it was into the wind, and I guess it flipped it over. Oh, that was scary. Timer's running out, close to 3 minutes. It's one of my gripes with this, and short flight times. It's usual with most EDFs. Okay, timer's up. Let me try and set it down. The light's really nice, and I think I'm a bit too high. Yeah. A low power go around. Okay, that was a nice landing. Unfortunately, that front landing gear is a bit beat up, so yeah, doesn't roll that well even on pavement. Make sure no cars are coming. Yeah, it's a great little bird, guys. If you have one, or if you can get one, it's probably not most exciting jet, but it was good for me to start with. After that, I got the UMX A10. That is really fun and a really good UMX jet. So let me know if you have one. What do you think about it? I was thinking there's the 64mm Freeling version. I don't like on that, I believe it doesn't have rudder, and they have on this tiny little thing. have all 4 channels. Don't have on that one. I'm not sure if that has a landing gear or not. Might be optional. Didn't really look into it, but yeah, I like this plane in general, the MiG-15, so I'll be looking at one of those in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. Thanks, and see you next time.